Energy man, why you do that, man?
That'll drop 100 shots without dropping a tear.
Welcome back, YouTube. So today we got a special video. I got a new mod on the Scat. We're gonna be unboxing this and we're gonna be installing it, so stay tuned. We'll get to it. Boy, if you... All right guys, to be honest, I might just do the unboxing here. Boy, if you... Bruh. So I got the LED indicators, and you hit the rev limiter, it'll turn red. Or you can set any different colors, but you'll see the... I'll just show you guys later. I'm excited. There's the connections. Pretty much you plug it in the OBD2 port with this box, and it would show like the gauges, just like on the performance pages. Pretty much everything on this screen, it would show right here. You do have to get some electrical tape. Update, we out here at Lowe's. We're gonna go pick up the tape. Look what I found though. SRT Durango? What? Sheesh, that motherfucker clean though. My washer fluid low, bruh. But we got the electrical tape though. Should we get active? Should we get active? Oh, we get active. Slipped out. I gotta calm down, guys. I can't get another ticket.
You going to jail. You're going to jail.
Alright, YouTube. So before you disconnect the battery, make sure the steering wheel is straight. So when you put it back on, it's straight. Yeah, feel me.
Stop it.
I think it's off. Just gotta do the other side. I messed up the holes though. I got it out. Finally, bro. It took me like almost 2 hours, bro. No cap. Yeah, this is probably the hardest part to install. Is taking off the airbags. It's a weak ass design. The way it goes, when you're going in that hole, you push that thing right there, and that's how you release it. All I really gotta do, take off the wires, and I'm gonna bring the steering wheel back inside and switch all the paddle shifters and the buttons. And don't forget to switch this out too. Ooh. Damn, this looking fat. Sheesh, that shit look good already, bro. I installed the paddle shifters and the buttons, so we're gonna test my wiring if I see if I did it right. I connected the battery already, so we'll see. We'll test it right now. Put it on accessory mode. So if it lights up, we'll know that the wiring works. We'll know that I didn't mess up. All right, guys, moment of truth. Alright guys, I guess I did it right, so we'll wrap this up. Almost forgot to put this back in on the from the other steering wheel. I guess it's to help balance the weight. Put some of that thread locker on there. There we go. Alright guys, we got it on. Torque spec on this is like 63 foot-pounds. Usually the dealership recommends you to replace this when you take the steering wheel off, but I just put thread locker on it and torqued it down to spec. It should be good. I'm gonna disconnect the battery before I put the airbag back in so we don't blow up. Alright guys, ready? 1, 2, 3. Sheesh. The thing plugged into the OBD2. Looks like it's blinking. Let's see if oh, it's already reading it. Damn, okay. Whoa, whoa. Okay. Test out my buttons real quick, see if it all works. I gotta figure out how you guys, how did they change the colors on the LEDs? Low-key, my airbag's not all the way in on this side. I don't know why it wouldn't lock, but it kept locking on here. I just didn't want to keep taking it off because it messes up the holes on the side. So I gotta figure this out. Oops. I'm gonna test drive it real quick. I kind of pinched the paddle shifter wires, see if it works. Oh, it got some pops today. My paddles work. I gotta fix it because it's not even redlining and it's blinking red already. So I gotta fix that. I'll probably set it at 6,000 so when it blinks red. See how it's blinking red and I'm only like 4,000? 3,000. I just run out of storage, guys. Alright guys, I kept running out of storage so I had to delete some stuff. But I turned off the car already to restart it, but I still don't have my SRT pages. Looking like a V6, bro. What is this? Gotta slap it to a manual so we don't stay in 4-cylinder mode. Look, you feel fast today, bruh. I'm not even on track. I'm just on regular mode. I think the steering will make me feel fast, bruh, to be honest.
Boy, if you...
Yeah, I gotta fix that, bro. Every time I'm on 3K, it just blinks red. I do gotta tuck this somewhere. I have some Velcro double-sided tape. Probably just stick it in right there. Or just hide it. She looking good. Alright guys, we back. We set it up. It's on miles per hour now. And I changed up the colors and shit. Sheesh. Alright guys, update. We out here. I don't even know where we at. Alright guys, update. We're under a bridge. It's kind of loud in here, but I just want to say a special thank you to everyone that be watching my video all the way to the end. I really appreciate you guys and everyone that be liking, commenting, and sharing my video. I really appreciate you guys a lot. That's really gonna help me grow in the future, and that's gonna help me make the videos that you guys like. So keep doing what you guys are doing. We're gonna keep posting bangers for you guys. So right now, I am gonna do a POV video on the new steering wheel. I already set everything up, the color that I want. And now red line's 6K, so when I hit 6K, it starts blinking instead of how it used to blink at 3K. So I'm gonna get started with this POV drive because I don't want to bore you guys right now. My setup looking like just wear the hat backwards because I don't like wearing the strap on the head. It hurts my head, guys. I don't like it. All right, guys, we on the GoPro. Saw a cop earlier pass by, so I waited a little bit. Hopefully he's out a little far now. He's just scared of the cop, guys. I don't want to run into him. I have to go in a high speed. Hoping there's no cop no more, bro. Sheesh, sound good today. Good, guys. I like it. And that's the end of that back roads. Yes, I like driving through that. It's really fun. How to merge the right way. wiggly. Flory! Mara wants some? Bobs. Oh, I gotta take off these stickers, bro. I'll do it later.